This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious vegetable soup with ugu and waterleaf. First, ensure you have all your fresh ingredients ready for a smooth cooking experience. We will be using 2 generous bunches of fresh ugu and waterleaf, along with your choice of protein like beef or fish. This vibrant, nutritious soup is a beloved dish, known for its rich flavor and health benefits. Get ready to create a truly authentic and satisfying meal in about 1 hour. Now let's get our ingredients prepped. Begin by meticulously washing your ugu and waterleaf to remove any dirt, then chop them into small, consistent pieces. Next, boil your protein, such as 1 pound of beef or fish, until it is perfectly tender, reserving the flavorful stock. Dice 1 medium onion and about 2 Scotch bonnet peppers, depending on your spice preference. Proper preparation is key to a fantastic soup, ensuring every component is ready for cooking. It's time to start cooking our soup base. Heat approximately 1 cup of rich palm oil in a large pot over medium heat until it shimmers. Add your diced onions and peppers, sautéing them for about 3 minutes until they become fragrant and translucent. Then, introduce your tender, cooked protein and the reserved stock into the pot. Let this mixture simmer gently for about 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully before adding the vegetables. Finally, let's bring it all together. Add your finely chopped ugu and waterleaf to the simmering pot, stirring gently until the vegetables are just wilted, which takes only a few minutes. Season your soup with about 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 bouillon cubes, adjusting to your taste. Allow it to simmer for an additional 5 to 7 minutes, ensuring the flavors are perfectly balanced. Serve your delicious, hot vegetable soup with a side of pounded yam, fufu, or gari for a complete meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.